How to easily install custom recovery TWRP on Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. So hello and welcome guys, welcome to Craxoid YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you install custom recovery TWRP on Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. So if you have Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro device and if you want to install custom recovery on it, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch the video until the end, and without wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see here, this is Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro and we are going to install custom recovery TWRP on it. So first step what we have to do is we have to unlock the bootloader of our phone, and if you don't know how to unlock the bootloader of your phone, then I have made a separate video on it. So you can check my video, will be in the description below, so that you can easily unlock the bootloader of your phone. And after unlocking the bootloader of your phone, then what you have to do is you have to power off your phone and press power button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Then you will be redirected to the fast boot mode. And remember, this process will wipe out all of your data, so make sure you keep the backup and connect your phone to the computer with the help of data cable and place your phone there. And now let's go to the computer. So we're in computer right now, and what you have to do is you have to just download these 3 files from the description below. I'll provide their link in the description below so that you can easily download those files. After installing those files, first of all let us install this ADB setup. Just type Y and hit enter button. Type Y and hit enter button again. And again type Y and hit enter button. And then click on next and click on finish. And ADB driver is installed on our computer. And now just go to your C drive and there you will see an ADB folder. So simply open that ADB folder, and here what you have to do is you have to just copy that TWRP image file that you have downloaded from the description below and paste it on the ADB folder. And now just click on that box right over there, just click on it and then type CMD and hit the enter button. And command prompt will appear, and here you have to type some commands, and our first command is fastboot space devices. So simply type fastboot space devices and hit the enter button, and some characters will shown here that indicates that our phone is connected to the computer in the fastboot mode. And now we have to type our second command, and our second command is fastboot space flash space recovery space, and then type the TWRP image file name, or you can just drag the TWRP image file from the ADB folder to the command prompt and then hit enter button. Then your phone should reboot into the custom recovery mode, but in case of Redmi Note 7 Pro, your phone won't reboot into the custom recovery mode, so you have to reboot it into the custom recovery mode manually. So now let's go to the mobile phone. So we're in mobile phone right now, and now let's just hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. Then you will be redirected to the custom recovery mode. And then your phone will reboot and redirect you to the custom recovery mode, and this kind of interface will appear. And here what you have to do is draw the lock screen pattern of your mobile phone, and it will start decryption process and it will automatically redirect you to the custom recovery TWRP. And now just swipe to allow modification. So this is how custom recovery TWRP looks like. So now we just have to go to the computer and transfer the disable DM verify zip file to the mobile phone. So now let's go to the computer. So we're in computer back again, and our phone is detected on the computer as well, as you can see here on the screen. So now simply copy this DM verify zip file and paste on your mobile phone. And now our work in computer is done. Now let's go to the mobile phone. So we're in mobile phone back again, and we are in custom recovery TWRP mode right now, and now you can remove this data cable if you wanted to. Now just click on this mount button and select vendor and make sure all these are selected, and go back and click on the install button, and from here select the disable DM verify zip file and then swipe. And if you did not select that vendor from the mount option, then you might get some error like error 1 problem. So make sure you select that vendor from the mount option. Now go back and click on the wipe button and click on that format data. So just click on it, and here you have to type yes, and remember this will completely wipe out your data. So make sure you keep the backup of your phone and click on reboot system and do not install. and this will reboot your phone to the system, and this will take some little bit of time, so I will fast forward this process. So finally the phone boots off. So this is the simple basic boot setup, so I will fast forward this setup as well. So finally we are back to our mobile phone, and now I will directly go to the settings section and I will go to the about phone section, and you can see this is the same Redmi Note 7 Pro where we just have installed custom recovery TWRP. And now I will tap on this MIUI logo for about 10 times so that additional features will turn on, and click on that 3 dots and click on reboot to recovery mode. So you can directly go to the recovery mode from here. So now click on reboot now. So you can directly go to the recovery mode from here, or you can press power button and the volume up button simultaneously, then you will be redirected to the custom recovery mode. So as you can see here, we are in custom recovery TWRP mode right now, and in this way you can install custom recovery TWRP on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. And now you can root your phone, you can install custom kernels on your phone, you can install custom ROMs on your phone, and you can do other kind of different stuffs. So if you want to watch this kind of interesting video, then make sure guys you subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel. And if you like this video guys, just let me know, hit that like button, comment below if you have any kinds of queries, suggestions or any kinds of problem, and don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel and hit that notification bell as well. So see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.